Welcome back to Tech Tips Pro. Are you looking to convert a PDF into Excel without any hassle and want to know the easy trick to get it done? Are you tired of complicated methods or third-party software? Well, you're in the right place because I've got a simple and powerful solution to do just that. Let's jump right in. Here's a PDF with employee data, including names, emails, phone numbers, and more. Today, we'll convert this into Excel without any manual entry. Step 1. Open PDF in Microsoft Word. The first step is to open your PDF in Microsoft Word. Once you select the file, Word converts the PDF to an editable format. You may get a message about imperfect conversion, but it usually works well. As you can see, the PDF data has been successfully converted into a Word document and is now ready to be copied into Excel for further processing. Step 2. Copy the data from Word. Now that we have the PDF open in Word, we're ready to copy the data. In most cases, you're looking to extract tables or text, and Word will handle these pretty well. Please avoid selecting the data using the table selection icon. Highlight the table or text you want to extract and do it manually. Then right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C. Step 3. Paste the data into Excel. Open Excel and select a blank worksheet. Click the Paste icon below the File menu, and you'll see several paste options. The first is Keep Source Formatting, and the second is Match Destination Formatting. Please choose Match Destination Formatting and you will get the data pasted into Excel, but it still needs some formatting adjustments. Step 4. Formatting and Adjustments. Sometimes the data might not be perfectly formatted when you paste it into Excel, but don't worry, fixing it is easy. First, as you can see, a line has already been pasted here. We'll need to manually delete this line. To format the columns, click the Select All icon in the top left corner, then adjust the column widths by double-clicking between the column headers. Select the column headings and apply bold formatting to give them a cleaner, more professional appearance, while also adding a bottom border to enhance data visualization and improve readability. Now that we've formatted our data, it looks much cleaner and more organized. This polished presentation not only improves readability but also makes it ready for further analysis or reporting. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. But before we get into that, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful Excel tips and tutorials. Here's a quick recap of what we covered in this video. Open PDF in Microsoft Word. Explain how to open a PDF in Word by going to File, Open, and selecting the PDF file. Word will automatically convert the PDF into an editable format. Reassure viewers that even though the conversion might not be perfect, it works well for most documents. Copy the data from Word. Once the PDF is open in Word, demonstrate how to highlight and copy the table or text they want to extract. Right-click and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C. Paste the data into Excel. Show how to open Excel, select a blank worksheet, and paste the copied data using Ctrl+V or the right-click menu. Formatting and Adjustments. Explain how to adjust formatting in Excel, such as resizing columns, cleaning up merged cells, and adding borders for better organization. Emphasize that small tweaks may be necessary depending on the data. With these simple steps, you can easily convert and format your PDF data for use in Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips.